Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the ultimate guide to online file compression. We've all been there, trying to send a file, but it's too large to upload or email. That's when online file compressors come in handy. First off, what is file compression? Simply put, it reduces the size of a file by encoding its data more efficiently. This makes it quicker to upload, download, and save storage space. There are two main types, lossless and lossy compression. Lossless compression reduces file size without losing any data, whereas lossy compression does so, but with a slight loss in quality. Now let's get into my top picks for online file compressors. Kicking off the list is Compress 2 Go. This tool supports a wide range of file types including PDF, JPEG, PNG, MP4 and more. It's user-friendly, just drag, drop and compress. Plus it offers both lossless and lossy options. Next we have WeCompress. This one is particularly great for office documents like PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files. It's straightforward and quick, with no need to mess around with settings. Just upload your file and let WeCompress handle the rest. Third on the list is Online UniConverter. This platform is versatile, supporting video, audio, and image files. It offers a range of compression settings so you can choose what best suits your needs. It's also equipped with a built-in editor, which is a nice bonus for tweaking files before compressing them. Finally, let's talk about TinyPang. If you're working with images, TinyPang is a must-have. It uses smart, lossy compression to reduce the file size of your PNG and JPEG files. The best part? It maintains a high level of quality, so your images still look great. So how do you choose the right tool? Consider the file type you're compressing, and whether you need lossless or lossy compression. Also, think about any additional features you might need, like batch processing or file editing. Remember, while free tools are incredibly useful, they often have limitations. If you find yourself compressing files regularly, it might be worth investing in a premium service. Alright, that's a wrap on the ultimate guide to online file compression. Hopefully this helps you navigate the sea of options out there and find the perfect tool for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for